must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now.
What's up guys, and welcome back po ulit sa ating YouTube channel, no? So for today's vlog, samahan nyo akong i-react itong Antidote Band. So in my previous vlog, meron din tayong reaction dito about sa Antidote Band na ang vocalista nila ay si G Heart, no? Si G Heart Music yung pangalan ng YouTube channel nila. So I think pangalawang beses na itong ginawa ng reaction video itong Antidote Band. So pangalan pala dito ang channel nila guys is G Heart Music, no? So ilagay ko na lang yung YouTube link nila sa ating description box. At i-visit nyo po ang G Heart Music guys dahil napaka-amazing ng kanilang cover song, no? Marami silang mga cover doon sa kanilang YouTube channel. So i-subscribe nyo rin ang G Heart Music. Sigurado ako malulupit ang kanilang mga cover doon. So i-visit nyo po sila guys, no? So bali kinover nila yung kanta na It Must Have Been Love. So kanta ito ng Roxette. So kinover ng G Heart Music, no? So bago ang lahat, kung mahilig kayo sa ganitong content na reaction video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell para updated po kayo sa about vlog na ina-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel, no? So gaya ng ginagawa natin guys, papanoorin muna natin ang buong video. And after na tayo magbibigay ng sariling opinion pagkatapos natin mapanood ang buong video, no? So, hindi natin patatagalin to at sabay-sabay nating panoorin. Galing. Ganda talaga ng boss niya, no? Ni Sir J. Leave the winter on the ground. Wake up lonely. There's an air of silence in the bedroom and all around. Touch me now. I close my eyes. Sarap kumanta. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moments we turn. Sarap sa tenga. Time I'd run out. Make believe it, we're together, that I'm sheltered by your heart, but in and outside turn to water like a teardrop in your palm, and it's a hard winter's day, I dream away. Oh, it must have been love, but it's over now. It's all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows. Antidote Band, no guys, suportahan natin, no? So check nyo lang yung description box natin, ilagay ko yung link ng kanilang YouTube channel, at tapos i-visit nyo rin yung kanilang YouTube channel guys, no?
must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moment we touched to the time I'd run out. Yeah, it must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love,
Sarap sa tenga.
but it's over now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows. Must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been love, but it's over now.
So ayun guys, no, Antidote Band. So suportahan natin guys. Yung YouTube channel nila is J-Heart Music, no. Paki-visit na rin guys at i-subscribe na rin ang kanilang YouTube channel, no. Para makita nyo rin guys yung mga malulupit na cover song nila. So marami silang mga mas malupit pa na cover song doon sa kanilang YouTube channel, no. So si G po ang pangalan ng vocalista nila ng Antidote Band. So napakabangis. So mga Bisaya ata to sila guys, no? Yung lalo na itong vocalista. Taga ano ata ito? Taga Mindanao ba ata? So yun. So guys, anong masasabi niyo dito sa vocalista ng Antidote Band? So galing nitong vocalista nila, maganda yung setup nila, no? Lahat sila magagaling. So kaya deserve din sa kanila na sumikat ng mga ganito. Yung boses pa lang ni Sir J, napakalupit. Dapat deserve yung mga ganyan na sumikat talaga. So kung meron kayong komento about dito kay Sir J na vocalista ng Antidote Band, mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. So guys, no, wag niyo ko sanang kalimutan i-like itong video para i-share pa ni YouTube sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, na. So hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating vlog. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. God bless po. Bye-bye.